Hi everyone, in this project we are going to create a mathematical cat walking animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so we will use parametric equations and trigonometric functions like sine and cosine. So to make the cat walk naturally. See. Okay. So basically we start with the basic HTML structures, canvas. Okay, so basically canvas is used for drawing the cat and animating it. Okay, and the buttons are added to play, pause and reset the animation. Okay, and the sliders control the speed and amplitude of the motion. Okay, and at the bottom we display the mathematical equations used to generate the motion. Okay, so basically these parts sets up the user interface of our animation. Okay, and then CSS styling. So basically the background is clearly white with a centered layout, and the canvas area has a shadow border and like rounded corners. Okay, okay, and the buttons have hover effects and rounded shapes for a soft UI. Okay, okay. So basically sliders allow you to adjust values smoothly. So the equations are shown inside a style box using a monospace font for a math look. Okay, so basically CSS handles the design and layout while JavaScript controls the motion. Okay, so in JavaScript we select the canvas. Okay, so we resize the canvas to match the window and update if the window resizes. So basically this makes sure the animation always fits perfectly on the screen. Okay, so basically we create variables is playing to check if animation is running, speed controls how fast the cat moves, and amplitude controls how much the parts move up and down. So basically we also connect the play, pause and reset buttons. So play, pause toggles the animation and the reset brings the animation back to the start. So basically the sliders are used to adjust speed and amplitude dynamically. Okay, so drawing the cat using math. So basically each part of the cat is created using sine wave equations that make it move smoothly. Okay, so basically this makes the body move slightly left, right and up down like a real walking motion, and the head follows the body but slightly offset. Okay, and the ears wiggle using another sine functions. Okay, and each leg uses different phases make legs move alternate. Okay, so creating a walking effect, and the tail is drawn with a like quadratic curve and it weighs using sine wave motion. Okay, see. So basically this runs repeatedly, drawing each frame again and again to create smooth motion. Okay, So each movement, head, body, legs, tail, is controlled by trigonometric and sine functions. So sine waves create smooth up and down and left right motion. So the phase difference between legs and other parts creates the illusion of walking, and the amplitude slider changes the size of movement. Okay, so speed slider changes how fast the motion happens. Okay, and at the bottom a legend explains the color codings. Red it's like body and head, and teal is legs, yellow tail, purple ears. So an equation box shows the mathematical formulas used to generate the motion. Okay, and see, you will see a colorful animated cat walking smoothly. So you can control speed and amplitude using sliders. So the cat moves continuously with real mathematical behavior. Okay, so it's like both a creative art project and a mathematical visualization. Okay, I will show you. See, here is the code.